everyone, welcome to 125th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Pragya from Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 3rd semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Bharat Trophy Siliguri, dealers in trophies and mementos. The headlines this week: Research Scholars Workshop held. Mass Communication Department honors teachers. Author shares writing secrets with students. Enactus Cell holds orientation. Freshers Day held. Special news feature on Exsurge 2023. The news in detail. Sonada Research Scholars Workshop held. Coordinator of Salesian Research Center, Dr. Shilpita Gine reports.
The Internal Quality Assurance Cell and Research and Publication Center, Salesian College, Sonada and Siliguri Autonomous organized Research Scholars Conference on 8th and 9th September 2023 under the leadership of Chair, Salesian Research Center, Father Dr. Tommy Augustine. Salesian College started Eastern Himalayan Research Scholars Workshop in 2010. Participating institutions included Jadavpur University, Sikkim University, IIT Gandhinagar, Sonada Degree College and Salesian College, Sonada. The two-day conference had 9 presentations on the theme Darjeeling and North Bengal, Spaces, Histories and Cultures. Father Dr. Tommy Augustine presented a special talk on research publication and ethics, and Mr. Anik Sarkar presented the editor's note. Dr. Brian Gomes presented the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee. The papers presented would be sent for peer review and be published in Salesian Journal of Humanities and Social Sciences for December 2023 issue.
Dr. Shilpita Gine reporting. Siliguri Mass Communication Department honors teachers. Debangshi Mishra of Mass Communication, 3rd semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri held Faculty Appreciation Program for Mass Communication and Journalism Department marking Teachers' Day on 5th September 2023. The anchor for the day, Youbina Gurung, featured diverse range of talents including a captivating song performance by Elvis Rai and an energetic dance by 2 third semester students Nick Rasaili and Tissa and Karan Harijan of 1st semester. The musical journey continued with another soulful song by the 2nd year students and an impressive group dance by the 1st year students. The 3rd year students then showcased their vocal harmony in a group song. A delightful surprise song by HOD Bhavya Chandra Khati sir and new arrival assistant professor Simon enthralled all. Heartfelt student confession added special moments to the afternoon. The program concluded with short speeches by all faculty members, vote of thanks and cake cutting.
Debangshi Mishra reporting. Siliguri Author shares writing secrets with students. Tissa of Mass Communication, 3rd semester reports.
Some students of Mass Communication and Journalism Department, along with HOD Assistant Professor Bhavya Chandra Khati, attended the book launch of The Unforgettable Woman on 10 September 2023. Some 20 book lovers attended the launch of Pankaj Giri's latest novel, held in Bukant Publishing House in Salbari, Siliguri. The Unforgettable Woman by Pankaj Giri from Gangtok, Sikkim is an inspirational, heart-touching story that explores the themes of regret, love and forgiveness and shows how a single secret can influence several lives. Author of several novels, Giri's earlier novel was entitled The Fragile Thread of Hope, a mainstream literary fiction dealing with love, loss and family relationships. The atmosphere at the book launch was electric as guests heard the review and asked questions to the author on ideas about creative writing and writing style for books.
Tissa Sen reporting. Siliguri, Enactus Cell holds orientation. Pritha of Mass Communication, 3rd semester, reports.
The Enactus Cell of Salesian College Siliguri organized an orientation for the students on 4th September 2023. Enactus is the world's largest experiential learning platform which is dedicated to creating a better world. The orientation session began with an introduction speech by Assistant Professor Mrs. Debangshi, followed by a brief description of the Enactus aims and projects by Enactus President Surya Vardhan Sharma. Members of Enactus also spoke about their experiences. The event concluded with a small activity session where the students were asked to write down their initials on a cooler tea cup, which will be used in the canteen.
Pritha reporting. Sonada, Freshers' Day held. Pragya Ekka of Mass Communication, 3rd semester, reports.
Salesian College Sonada held Freshers' Day on 5th September 2023. After welcoming of the freshers, Father Rector addressed the gathering emphasizing the importance of education and encouraged new students to make the most of their time at the institution. One of the highlights of the Freshers' Day event was the vibrant and diverse cultural performances put up by students. For Mr. and Miss Freshers event, the selected students from each department were asked to do some activities which included a ramp walk, introducing themselves, showcasing their talents and answering the questions asked by the judges. Youbina Gurung from the Department of Political Science and Anjana Rai from the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism were chosen as Mr. and Miss Freshers respectively.
Pragya Ekka reporting. Siliguri, special feature on Exsurge 2023. Youbina Gurung of Mass Communication, 3rd semester, reports.
Hi everyone, this is Youbina of 3rd semester from the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, anchoring for campus this week. The biggest annual intra-college event is here, Exsurge 2023.
Exsurge 2023, the first mega intra-college event after Salesian College Siliguri and Sonada gaining autonomous status, was held on 8th September. The Exsurge annual talent hunt commenced with the inauguration ceremony held at 8 a.m. during which Principal Father Babu Joseph declared Exsurge 2023 open. A special feature of the opening ceremony was musical performance by the Department of Music. For BBA students, Exsurge began a day early on 7th September as a full-day fundraising event with students' teams managing some 10 stalls providing varieties of snacks, soft drinks, shakes, pastries and ice creams. Special attraction was the jail, where gullible students and faculties were thrown in and required payment of ransom to be released. Events held in 3 different venues on 8 September morning included dance, music and fine arts, including battle of 6 college bands. The musical event was categorized into different types, solo singing for male and female as well as rap and fusion band. The fine arts were held offstage in different venues in campus, which included painting and sketching.
Now let's hear it from the Vice Principal of Arts Deanery about the involvement of students in today's event.
Today is a fantastic, amazing performance by the students. Cheers, especially a wonderful learning experience for the students. Actually, it's a platform for them to perform and gain confidence and courage.
Events continued right after 1 hour lunch break with dance item categorized into several types, which included solo dance, theme group dance and non-theme group dance. Spontaneous groups of audience grouped with the beats of music and dance.
Now let's hear from the students and participants about their involvement in today's event.
So I'm Ankita from BCom on the second sem. This is my second time taking part in Exsurge, and my experience is same as previous year. It is a really great event and I really like it. I like how my competitors are. It was really challenging and stuff, and I really like it.
Calvin, and this is my first time in this Excurs, and I really loved it. I learned a lot of things, and people out here are very inspiring. They are very welcoming with a warm hand, and this really means me a lot.
The final event of the day was the fashion show on the theme Arise and Hope for Tomorrow, where a group of 14 students marked their marvelous performance. The event came to an end with the award-giving ceremony, vote of thanks, and most awaited socials.
Well, the Exsurge has always been a platform for every individual's talent to shine, marking its successful end, Exsurge 2023, and igniting the passion of the upcoming Grand Fest, Innovation 2023. I, Youbina Gurung, sign off.
Photo of the week. Salesian alumnus of 1988 to 1991 batch, Mr. Joseph Chacko, Senior Faculty and Coordinator at St. James School, Kolkata, received Gurukul Award for Teacher of the Year 2023 for his contribution to social work at Vidya Mandir, Kolkata. Show was brought to you by Bharat Trophy, Siliguri, dealers in trophies and mementos. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.